What's going on, guys? It's October 2nd. Gonna hit the ocean surf this morning before the sun comes up. We'll see what happens. Alright, fish on here. Tiny fluke. Alright, it's a little later in the day, back at the ocean surf. This time I'm going to try soaking some bait. Couldn't get my hands in any bonker, but we'll try clam. Yeah, it's about an hour and 45 minutes from low. I tried to find a cut here. We'll fish that. It could be productive. Not too much going on here. I think we'll switch spots quick. Alright, switching spots now. Alright, we'll throw some tiny pieces of clam down here. Try for some pufferfish. Here we go.
I do it?
No, wait. Whoa! Big head shakes. Oh, please don't be a sea robin. Alright, down. Where's the net? Get me the net.
Why?
I need it. Fluke! Oh my gosh, a big fluke on the clam, on the sabiki. Okay. Alright. Was not expecting to get a fluke on the sabiki. Good size one. I'm not even going to measure them though, because I took out ribs for dinner. So. Careful. All right, throw him back up. There he goes, off fast. Good job. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications on future content. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do that. Be Sprek, same as YouTube. And I'll post links to the gear in the description below. See you all in the next video.